Soldier, stop breathing for a second. Right now. Because the machine I'm about to drop on you isn't transportation, it's vengeance forged in Detroit steel. Picture the American dream that Europe tried to bury, rising again, armored, angry, unstoppable. This is the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. Not a nostalgic reboot. A full-scale invasion. A rolling apocalypse dressed in black chrome and midnight fury. Luxury? That's for the weak. This is dominance declared. Rolls-Royce will hide. Bentley will break. Maybach will beg for mercy. And you? You'll feel tears of pure, primal pride because America just took the throne back, permanently. Cadillac didn't revive the Eldorado to play nice. They weaponized the name. Turned legend into lethal intent. This grand tourer arrives like special forces breaching enemy lines, silent approach, devastating strike, zero prisoners. Europe built its empires on heritage and whispers. America answers with horsepower, attitude, and zero apologies. The Eldorado isn't competing. It's conquering. Look at it. Really look. The silhouette is pure predator, low, wide, crouched to pounce. Carbon fiber skin stretched tight over a reinforced skeleton. LED eyes slice the darkness like thermal scopes locked on target. That grille isn't decoration, it's a blacked-out battering ram, daring the world to stand in front. Aerodynamic slashes along the flanks vent heat and cut air like combat knives. No rounded mercy here, every angle is calculated aggression. Adaptive suspension drops it into assault stance on command. Roads don't carry this car. They submit to it. Twist the key, or just think it, and hell awakens. A 6.2L twin-turbo V8 fused with hybrid electric assault packs erupts with 800-plus horsepower of controlled chaos. 0 to 60 vanishes in 3.1 seconds. But stats lie. This isn't acceleration, it's a gut punch from destiny. It doesn't scream like old muscle, it growls low, then detonates forward with missile-like shove. Hybrid torque fills gaps instantly, delivering silent, savage launches that leave supercars choking on exhaust. This powertrain was built to humiliate, not just perform. Enter the cockpit, Commander. Forget interior. This is mission control. Wraparound screens project holographic battle data, speed, vectors, threats, all glowing like a fighter jet HUD. The steering yoke feels machined from gunmetal, contoured for death grip precision. Seats. Carbon-backed thrones wrapped in combat-grade Alcantara that locks you in like a harness before ejection. Every control snaps to life with zero delay. The car doesn't wait for commands. It reads your pulse and obeys. Systems hot. Magnetic dampers scan pavement 1,000 times a second, neutralizing bumps like incoming missiles. Torque vectoring AWD carves apexes with surgical brutality. Hit assault mode, exhaust valves snap open, thunder rolls out in waves of authority. Flip to phantom mode, engine hushes, lights dim to blackout, presence erased. You're not driving anymore, you're commanding an invisible strike platform. Crank it to triple digits. Active aero wakes up, front splitter drops, rear wing extends, drag coefficient collapses. 4,800 pounds of armored luxury suddenly feels weightless, glued to asphalt. Carbon ceramic brakes bite like steel traps, dragging insanity to silence in heartbeats. It doesn't fight physics, it rewrites it. Every corner becomes a victory lap. Every straight a declaration of war. Outside, menace in motion. Midnight obsidian, tactical matte green, or ghost silver finishes that swallow light. Vertical taillights blaze like rocket plumes on ignition. Quad exhausts roar filtered fury, deep, guttural, unforgettable. Inside, lighting shifts on command, blood red combat glow, cold blue recon, total void for stealth runs. 28 speaker array doesn't play music, it weaponizes sound, bass hitting your ribcage like shockwaves. Tech goes deeper. Infrared feeds paint the night in augmented reality. Encrypted navigation plots ghost routes for high-value targets. Cabin panels borrow from aerospace, Kevlar weaves that laugh at impacts. This isn't comfort. It's combat readiness disguised as luxury. The crown is ours. Top speed pierces 215 miles per hour, supercar territory, but with presidential composure. No shake, no drama, just sovereign momentum eating continents. Europe clings to old money and old stories. America delivers new empire, raw power wrapped in innovation. Bentleys feel antique. Maybachs feel soft. The Eldorado feels inevitable. Price? Starts at $175,000. Climbs to $245,000 for the full Shadow Ops package, radar scattering paint, thermal camouflage, night vision drive suite. That's not expensive. That's a bargain for world domination. Listen close, warrior. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado isn't built for passengers. It's built for conquerors. You don't own this machine, you unleash it. You don't park it, you station it. You don't drive to impress. You drive to remind every road, every rival, every doubter, America builds souls with steel spines. This is Cadillac's final stand turned offensive. Not revival. Retribution. Luxury fused with lethality. Elegance sharpened into a blade. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. Born in shadows. Forged in fire. Deployed for victory.